Because when you look at the word astronaut and astronomy itself, you're dealing with ast, which is the feminine principle of the origin, of determination of course, her name is Aset. From ast, you have Ra, which is the essence of the star power, and Astra, and then you have Numo or Numa, which gives the impression from Dogon of the origins of life in water. So astronomy, even of itself, we can come back into an African tradition, an African word, uniting Ast, Ra, Numo, which talks about the female principle being in the waters and the energy coming from this, Ast, Ra, Nomi. So when we look at this and we break it up into the year, if we were to say, and this is a theory, and I want to be very clear on this because none of us were there in the beginning of time. We cannot say with any surety, but there is a sense of knowledge base out there that will allow us to say certain things. So we've broken it up into 12 months, and we've said that the very first moment of the very first year of the cosmic reality, what is today called the Big Bang, what the ancient Kemites called Nun, or Ptah, the conversion of energy, that humanity, in fact, doesn't even come into place until December, and this is why we have the December month here, because so much happens this last month right here. So what we're dealing with in reality, if you want to talk about the history of man, you've got to talk about the history of the cosmos. To understand the history of the cosmos, you go to the primary source, which we call the Shabaka stone. There are the pyramid texts, the coffin texts, the Bremerin papyrus. Dr. Theophilio Benga has looked at over 77 documents. Sheikh Anta Diop has looked at numerous documents that unfold this story. And one thing is that the story doesn't begin on Earth. And that's the key. And what locks us into this shallow mentality as an African people, what confuses us most, is that we are confining ourselves to where the European was confined, and that is Earth.